Welcome to our Dangerous Goods Overview. In this video, we'll explain what types of products are classified as dangerous goods, which documents are required to demonstrate compliance with applicable regulations when selling dangerous goods, and which products are prohibited from being sold in the Amazon store. Dangerous goods, also referred to as hazardous materials or hazmat, are products which may pose a risk to someone's health, safety, property, or environment if improperly stored, shipped, or handled. Sellers are permitted to sell select dangerous goods in the Amazon store if they provide documentation that their products comply with local laws and meet other specified requirements. Governments regulate products in this category to ensure safe transportation and that customers and their homes stay healthy and safe. Amazon has additional restrictions for dangerous goods, as well as hazardous materials stored in and shipped out of our fulfillment centers. To sell dangerous goods through Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA, you must stay informed about current legislation and regulations. You must also provide complete and correct information about your products. And you'll need to upload one of the following to our Manage Dangerous Goods classification page: a Safety Data Sheet or SDS, or an exemption sheet. Whichever you submit, they should be complete, correct, and up to date. To access the Manage Dangerous Goods classification page, open the Seller Central main menu and search for the Dangerous Goods Identification Guide page. On that page, scroll down to Manage Dangerous Goods Classification section and click Upload and track the status of your safety data sheets and exemption sheets. What's classified as a dangerous good may surprise you. Let's explore some common examples of dangerous goods found in everyday environments. The kitchen contains many items classified as dangerous goods due to toxic ingredients or flammability. These products include those in aerosol or pressurized containers, like whipped cream or cooking sprays, those with high alcohol content, like spirits, cleansers or cleaners like dishwashing detergents, laundry detergents, powders, and household or automotive cleaners, and antibacterial products like hand sanitizer. Many bathroom items are also considered dangerous goods. Perfume, nail polish, deodorant spray, and even mouthwash containing alcohol are all examples of products that can be flammable. Other items like shaving creams or foams can also be classified as dangerous goods, as they sometimes come in pressurized containers. These containers can harm people or property if damaged or tampered with. Essential oils, tanning lotions, and hair dyes are classified as dangerous goods as well. Electronic items often fall into the dangerous goods category, particularly if they contain lithium batteries. Lithium batteries can be dangerous when they're damaged, crushed, or short-circuited. Damaged batteries can cause fires, which could lead to personal injury and property damage. Electronics containing lithium batteries include digital thermometers, electric shavers, smartphones, tablets, laptops, smartwatches, e-readers, rechargeable speakers, wireless or Bluetooth headsets, and gaming controllers also contain lithium batteries. It's critical to ensure batteries and products that contain batteries are properly packaged and secured during shipping. For more information on our packaging guidelines, check out our help page, Packaging Batteries, in Seller Central. Products for pets such as flea, lice, and tick controls may be toxic. This, combined with their potentially hazardous shipping and labeling needs, means they need to be regulated for you and your pet's safety. Next, let's review office materials classified as dangerous goods. Examples of dangerous goods in the office include printer cartridges and toners, equipment cleaners such as wipes for electronic screens or dust sprays in aerosol cans, and office items with toxic or flammable liquids such as correction fluid, marker pens, and high-strength glues. Our final examples of dangerous goods are found outdoors, Pool chemicals, pesticides, and weed killers can be toxic or hazardous to the environment. The products named in this video are common examples and don't form a comprehensive list of regulated dangerous goods. For more information on what products are considered dangerous goods, check out the Dangerous Goods Identification Guide help page in Seller Central. Some dangerous goods are strictly prohibited from entering our fulfillment centers altogether. Prohibited dangerous goods include spontaneously combustible products, toxic gases, products containing infectious substances, and explosives. See the Hazardous and Prohibited Items help page for more examples. Remember, dangerous goods that you send to Amazon must comply with all applicable regulations to ensure that they're transported, stored, handled, and labeled safely and correctly. Non-compliance exposes our employees, carriers, and customers to potential health and safety risks. Thank you for helping keep our communities and customers safe, and happy selling in the Amazon store.